Hello, if you are graduating in 2026 and you are looking for an opportunity to start your career, then this is a very good opportunity for you from Google. It is specifically for students who are graduating in 2026. So, watch the full video. I will tell you everything in detail for this opportunity. And also, subscribe our channel to get latest job updates like this instantly. And you can apply in them before they get expired. So, let's move forward with the hiring. So the role mentioned is of Network Operations Residency Program, University Graduate 2026 start. The job location is Bengaluru, Karnataka, India. Please note that make a separate ATS friendly resume for this hiring and also try to get referral before applying at this hiring because the hirings of Google is highly competitive. Let's talk about the minimum qualifications required. So you need bachelor's degree in telecommunications, electrical engineering, computer science engineering, or a related field or equivalent practical experience. So the preferred qualification is bachelor's degree in the following and related disciplines. Internship experience in network engineering, data center, system administration, or another technical capacity. So this is also required here. Also note that while making the resume, add these specific keywords in your resume to increase its ATS score. You need experience working with networking fundamentals, example TCP IP, ARP, IP, tables routing, or Unix system administration, including coding Java, C or C++, or scripting in Shell or Python. Now let's talk about preferred qualifications. So, ability to adjust to changing priorities and make quick decisions with limited information. You need excellent leadership and project management skills with the ability to work well in a team environment with a focus on knowledge sharing and collaboration. So, if you have any relevant certification, then add that in your resume. This will help improving the ATS score of your resume and will also increase your chances of getting shortlisted. You need excellent organizational communication and time management skills. Let's move forward. This is about the job. You can read this. I will provide you the link in description. This will be your responsibilities. This also you can read by visiting the link in description. I have already told you the important things. So apply for this opportunity fast before it gets expired. Thank you.